You'll never raise investment unless you're good at sales. It's often said that no one likes salespeople, and the marketing team is mocked as the colouring in department in many corporates. But unless you have a good understanding of sales and marketing strategy, you're never going to raise investment. We have a client whose VC suggested a merger between them and another of the VC's portfolio companies. One had market-leading tech but couldn't sell it. The other had an inferior product but had built a great sales and marketing system with a consistent pipeline of clients. The VC's plan was that the business who could make sales should take over the one with the better product, not the other way around. The VC was no longer willing to back the one with the superior tech. They'd grown tired of pumping money into a great product that no one was using. Instead, they would invest £3 million into our client's business so they could buy out the business with the better tech and take control of their assets. This included the tech but also £1 million in cash that was in the bank from a previous round. For the VC, this seemed like the most sensible strategic bet, versus just hoping that the business with the better tech would suddenly get better at sales. The investors knew that unless they could quickly scale users, the venture was as good as dead, and they weren't prepared to continue backing a company that couldn't sell, no matter how good their product. The company that survived in this situation was the business with the great sales system, not the one with the best product. As a result, our client now has both market-leading tech that they didn't need to build and a sales pipeline of people to sell it to. The truth is, there's so much value in having a smart and scalable marketing and sales system. These are the businesses that ultimately succeed. The sooner a startup can establish their ability to sell and market their product, the more successful they're likely to be and the more they're likely to raise investment. The thing is, investors know that the biggest killer of startups, after access to capital, is not being able to market and sell the product they've created. They know a great product with no customers is like having a supercar with no racetrack. There's just no point. If you're pre-launch, you'll have to explain with clarity how you're going to take your product to market. If you're post-launch, you'll need to explain your marketing and sales strategy to deliver the next phase of scale. Regardless of your startup's development, it's only when you can demonstrate that you can or know how to sell and market your innovation that you'll become investable.